Have you been constantly looking to diversify your investment portfolio? Gain access to hundreds and thousands of projects without leaving your home? Everything is at your fingertips. Now, Vpropcaptechnologies introduces a new access investment class: mortgage investment of overseas property. Welcome to Vpropcaptechnologies. Vpropcaptechnologies is Asia's leading overseas property mortgage fintech platform. We provide an easy and convenient solution to overseas property mortgage investment. A platform that connects property, capital, and people. Whether you're looking to be a funder or a borrower, Vpropcaptechnologies provides state-of-the-art technology, AI, and big data that overcomes every barrier of overseas property mortgage and investment. Funders can choose their own projects based on their criteria, such as currency and property location, submitted by the borrowers and evaluated by Vpropcap. Through the e-evaluation systems to evaluate the property, which ensures the value of the collateral, and by e-KYC systems to evaluate the credit report of borrowers. Every transaction is secured by an overseas property. Vpropcap ensures that parties will benefit from the process. Funders will expect to receive the interest every 6 months and full return in 2 years. Why do borrowers choose Vpropcap? Overseas property mortgage application is usually complex. Application time can take up to 9 months. The concept of Vpropcaptechnologies not only provides connectivity to people all around the globe, it also changes the way people apply for mortgages. Vpropcaptechnologies leverages technology to simplify complex application processes, at least 3 times quicker than traditional banking. Provides an alternative liquidity solution locally. It also customizes mortgage plans for the borrower. Loan amount up to 85% of the property's market value. Lending rate is determined by borrower's risk level, while ensuring every transaction is conducted in a manner that will protect everyone's property rights and minimizing the risk of investment. Vpropcaptechnologies covers a wide range of location and types of property. Make a complex cross-border mortgage easy, adding innovative value to funders and borrowers against traditional banking. We are Vpropcaptechnologies.
Hope you like our video. Let's start with our presentation. I am Neil Chang, CEO of Vpropcaptechnologies. Have you bought an overseas property? Did you have a problem of getting a mortgage from an overseas bank? Over 70% of borrowers are frustrated in getting an overseas property loan. It's either the application process is too complicated or there are very limited number of lenders. Not to mention you need to deal with different time zone, language barrier, or different working cultures. So why? A financial institution usually has difficulty accessing foreigners' KYC, AML, and credit checks, and also is unfamiliar with overseas property valuation and regulations. Vpropcap is a platform providing an overseas property loan solution to lenders and borrowers, allowing any individual or institution can easily become a mortgage lender without a sophisticated infrastructure setup. On the other side, we provide alternative mortgage loan solution to borrowers. Vpropcap will provide a package of pre and post loan risk management tools such as eKYC, evaluation, AI credit risk calculations. Every loan transaction is matched with 1 investor and 1 borrower and backed by a first mortgage legal charge as collateral. Potential lenders just need to sign it with Vpropcap and prepare capital, and we do the rest. That including looking for potential borrowers, providing borrowers risk analysis, and deal with the legal documents, and you just need to pick the deal. You may be wondering how large is the market size. Let's use an example of our major competitor in Australia, BC Invest. A lender based in Sydney, in the last 5 years, it has originated £1.3 billion worth of loans to Hong Kong and China investors on UK properties, in average $400 to $500 million per year. Over 5,500 customers have borrowed money from them. Competitor analysis, let's use the UK property loan market as an example. There are on-offshore banks and on-offshore non-banks providing loan services. Banks' application procedures are usually strict, complex, turnover time is long. An application with HSBC UK may take 6 to 9 months. So some borrowers are willing to pay higher interest rate to non-bank institutions in exchange for a more flexible screening criteria and shorter times. PropCap provides better user experience in the whole journey, and the loan product is tailored to borrowers who need quick turnover times. PropCap is the only loan provider that can provide multiple countries' loans through a single platform. We apply our marketing strategy both online and offline. We list our product in financial product portal like Smart Money Hero. We also post property information and mortgage information on social media. Offline marketing including collaborating seminars with business partners in the same ecosystem such as overseas property brokers, property management company, and accountants. Our business model is very simple. Our main revenue stream is 2% upfront fee we take a loan drawdown from borrowers. In addition, we charge a subscription fee on lenders, borrowers, and there's complementary income from AI valuation, referral fees on professional services like tax filing, property management, and brokerages. We have been operating just over 18 months, and we have done 18 transactions on Japan, UK properties. We have lent out $7.1 million loans. Every transaction is matched with one lender, one borrower. Average loan rate 7.47%, LTV 72%, the average loan term 22 months. UK property borrower use us as bridge finance. They try to refinance with local banks later. Its application process time is usually very long. On the other hand, Japan property borrowers use PropCap to pull out equity from the property, as Japan local bank don't provide refinance services. Our borrowers are from China, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Japan. On the other side, funders are mainly Hong Kong high net worth individuals and hedge funds. I am Newchip, CEO of PropCap. I was a CEO of an overseas property division of a listed company in Hong Kong. Before that, I was a stock trader with Morgan Stanley for about 14 years. Other co-founders include Yao, who has 20 years of AI algo trading experience with Morgan Stanley, Barclays, and BNP. Yan Wang, he was a CEO of his China-based asset managers. Louis Lee, he has over 70 years of financial product sales and business development experience. Exit strategies. There are many fintech companies dealing with personal lending, but not many have ability to deal with cross-border mortgages. The closest and most recent fundraising comparable company that we can use for reference is Upstart, a Nasdaq-listed AI lending platform that provides consumer loans using non-traditional variables. Upstart used 4 years to build the loan book from seed round 0 to 128 million. Pre-money valuation of Series C was about 145 million. PropCap has been operating for about 18 months, and we have transacted loan value of around $7 million. And we target to sell the business to real estate developers or traditional financial institutions at around 80 million to 150 million. These traditional companies are interested to add new business line into their own limited growth potential business. Thank you. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send emails to our email address. Thank you very much.